Well, are you ready for my signature Villanova Blue Energy Smoothie? Well, it starts with a quarter of a banana, I already sliced that, and 3/4 cup of blueberries. This is the Villanova Blue. I'll add that in, and together that's about a serving and a half of fruit, equivalent to about a piece and a half of toast. But it importantly has lots of fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and folate. Now, the blueberries give us a unique nutrient, manganese, which we need for metabolizing protein, fat, and carbohydrates. In addition, the blueberries have anthocyanins, quercetin, as well as myricetin, antioxidants that are so important for helping our memory, as well as deactivating stress, free radicals, preventing cancer, just super power packed. Now to this, we're going to add about a quarter cup of broccoli, would be green, but we're going to add about a quarter cup of cauliflower. I chose raw. You could easily use cauliflower that has been frozen, which keeps things very simple. And I love adding the cauliflower because right there and then, especially if you're having this smoothie for breakfast, you've got part of a serving of vegetable already under your belt. To that, we'll add some lime juice. This happens to be a tablespoon. Great source of vitamin C, which helps protect our skin and make our immune system function properly. And we'll also add a tablespoon of nut butter. I wound up choosing I wound up choosing sesame seed butter just because I kind of like it and it's a little different. A tablespoon here, we'll just get that into the mix. Great source of protein, again, great source of fiber, and healthy oils, all of which are going to help keep you full with this power-packed smoothie. And finally, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of skim milk. Love using skim milk, although you could use whichever kind of milk you prefer. But skim milk is only 83 calories and it has 8 grams of protein and is one of the easiest way to absorb calcium. Now we've got everything mixed together. I'll put the lid on and blend away. And in a minute, we're ready to pour this up. It's not exactly blue, but you know the blueberries are in there, and that is your power food. But you're also getting the cauliflower, banana, milk, and it really is a complete package. Cannot wait. Cheers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to schedule your free nutrition counseling session with me by using the link provided in this video. I'm really looking forward to meeting you.